Hi, if you're watching YouTube videos and you're not getting the maximum quality, like right here, it says the quality is on automatic. Now, automatic sometimes chooses a lower quality depending on your internet speed, but that might not even be true for you. Maybe you can actually view it at a higher quality, but it's just limiting it based on your internet speed. So, make sure that on quality you set it by hand. So set it to the highest possible quality by hand, and it will use up more internet resources, but it will prioritize using internet resources for your YouTube videos. So just make sure to have that checked and continue watching videos. Now, every time you come to YouTube, this might not be enabled. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. When it remembers your cookies, if you clear your cache and if you clear your cookies, it's not going to remember your preferences on video quality. So be sure to check that if you're finding that your videos are low quality.